going to help.
Oh, kill myself!
No.
Fucking idiot!
What the hell?
Someone's just blocked the fucking road.
Yeah, something really on. Because these are quick changes and there will be stuff here.
Just go round him, lad.
Oh, water.
He's a
Yes.
no, you can't skip the queue like that.
No.
Somebody went the wrong way in the roundabout. Terrible. This is like, I've saved it to the dashcam. It's like one of those dashcam videos. Whoopsies!
Red light.
Sorry, screamed at me too. Jesus Christ. Had to scream. Really thought I was going to die. No! I forgot to warn you about the...
Holy
New customers only. From £24 a month for a month forward, £60 excess on a 12-month contract. Eligibility criteria, cancellation fees and terms apply.
Did you know there's around 250 UK accounts earning no interest, and it could take just minutes to switch to a better provider? I'm Brian, financial advisor and personal finance at Moneybox, the award-winning saving and investing app. With the Moneybox account.
Get that in dash. That's really dangerous.
Yeah, it's got the slide as well. What's that about?
Can you look at us?
I know.
Oh! Got that on camera. I think the cut up an Audi.
cut off an Audi.
I think cutting up an Audi. I tell you what, I'll get that on.
Massive stroke. She had a massive bloody nose for a couple of days. She just poured and poured and poured and poured and poured. Stop! Fucking shit! Jesus Christ. Got him on camera.
Sake! Use your mirrors, man! What the f am I looking at? What the f?
Designed to make.
You've seen them in wind tunnels, haven't you, out there?
Yeah.
They're doing a wind tunnel, all air's going over the car, yeah. If you imagine that'll be like 20, 30, 40 metres behind you.
Good shot of them. Just pulled out.
Yeah.
Yeah, your clutch definitely does seem a lot better now.
Yeah. Fucking day.
I just wanted to let you know about a new Instagram feature that lets you delete specific photos from picture dumps. This should solve the recent dilemma you've discussed a few times about having photos of an ex on your
Seriously?
This is interesting. Now if they're part of a bigger picture dump, you can delete just the ones with them and keep the rest. It's perfect.
when we touch another compilation.
Are you f***ing joking? Are you f***ing...
Oh, 24 packs.
Yeah.
It says they're out of stock from
dirty cow. He vomited. He come from Weatherspoons.
And he's vomiting again. Dirty. Quarter to 8 and he's already rag-arsed.
Oh no, 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 no.
What a car.
There's one for the the internet, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My Google Maps say you should turn left, but honestly.
Yeah, that's alright. I knew the way. I just wanted to know the traffic.
Yes. How the hell he missed us, I don't know. Didn't even look.
You just test.
Really?
Nice one. KN12.
That's not simple. Now that's...
Now what the f*** was that?
Car insurance is simple, because when life is this complicated, finding...
Job is close.
Oh, bloody hell. Jesus Christ.
stupid.
Let's get this little mixture.
One way. One way. One way.
I know, should it, yeah.